What is cryptocurrency and how you can make millions from it? Cryptocurrency, sometimes called cryptocurrency or crypto, is any form of currency that exists digitally or virtually and uses cryptography to secure transactions. Cryptocurrencies don't have a central issuing or regulating authority, instead using a decentralized system to record transactions and issue new units. Cryptocurrency is a digital payment system that doesn't rely on banks to verify transactions. Instead of being physical money carried around and exchanged in the real world, cryptocurrency payments exist purely as digital entries to an online database describing specific transactions. When you transfer cryptocurrency funds, the transactions are recorded in a public ledger. Cryptocurrency is stored in digital wallets. Cryptocurrency received its name because it uses encryption to verify transactions. This means advanced coding is involved in storing and transmitting cryptocurrency data between wallets and to public ledgers. The first cryptocurrency was Bitcoin, which was founded in 2009 and remains the best known today. Cryptocurrencies run on a distributed public ledger called blockchain, a record of all transactions updated and held by currency holders. Units of cryptocurrency are created through a process called mining, which involves using computer power to solve complicated mathematical problems that generate coins. Users can also buy the currencies from brokers, then store and spend them using cryptographic wallets. Although Bitcoin has been around since 2009, cryptocurrencies and applications of blockchain technology are still emerging in financial terms, and more uses are expected in the future. Transactions including bonds, stocks, and other financial assets could eventually be traded using the technology. Founded in 2009, Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency and is still the most commonly traded. Developed in 2015, Ethereum is a blockchain platform with its own cryptocurrency, called Ether, ETH, or Ethereum. This currency is most similar to Bitcoin but has moved more quickly to develop new innovations, including faster payments and processes to allow more transactions. Ripple can be used to track different kinds of transactions, not just cryptocurrency. You may be wondering how to buy cryptocurrency safely. There are many cryptocurrency exchanges to choose from, each offering different cryptocurrencies, wallet storage, interest-bearing account options, and more. When comparing different platforms, consider which cryptocurrencies are on offer, what fees they charge, their security features, storage and withdrawal options, and any educational resources. Once you have chosen your platform, the next step is to fund your account so you can begin trading. Crypto purchases with credit cards are considered risky, and some exchanges don't support them. Some credit card companies don't allow crypto transactions either. This is because cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, and it is not advisable to risk going into debt, or potentially paying high credit card transaction fees, for certain assets. The accepted payment methods and time taken for deposits or withdrawals differ per platform. These include potential deposit and withdrawal transaction fees plus trading fees. Fees will vary by payment method and platform, which is something to research at the outset. You can place an order via your broker's or exchange's web or mobile platform. These include payment services like PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo, which allow users to buy, sell, or hold cryptocurrencies. You can buy shares of Bitcoin trusts with a regular brokerage account. Blockchain stocks or ETFs. You can also indirectly invest in crypto through blockchain companies that specialize in the technology behind crypto and crypto transactions. Alternatively, you can buy stocks or ETFs of companies that use blockchain technology. If you buy cryptocurrency, you have to store it. You can keep it on an exchange or in a digital wallet. As with exchanges, you should investigate your storage choices before investing. Don't put all your money in Bitcoin, for example, just because that's the name you know. There are thousands of options, and it's better to spread your investment across several currencies. If your investment portfolio or mental well-being can't handle that, cryptocurrency might not be a wise choice for you. Kaspersky Internet Security defends you from malware infections, spyware, data theft and protects your online payments using bank-grade encryption.